Are you getting tired of paying so much money for all kinds of products like garlic butter or herb butter or whatever else you want to make? Then you're in luck because we're gonna start making stuff like that from scratch. If I think about how much I just paid for 4 sticks of butter, I'm gonna figure out how to make butter myself too. Hi, I'm Karen from Prepared and Sustainable Living, and today I'm gonna make garlic and herb butter. First, I wanted to thank my viewers and subscribers. The last video gave me so many more views and subscribers. It's so amazing. Kind of like blew up, and I'm so pumped about it. Thanks everybody for watching and subscribing and supporting the channel. And if you have some questions, I'm looking for questions right now. I can put in a Q&A session in the community section as a post where you can either put it there, you can put it in here under this video, or you can fill out the Google form I attached to a LinkedIn community post in case you want to make it without concluding your name, and ask me whatever you want to me, to the channel, to the journey, to what I have planned with the brand, whatever you want to know. I'll collect them for maybe another week or two depending on how many answers I get, and then I make Q&A video to answer all the questions you guys have. My boyfriend loves garlic butter. We normally don't have it at home, and if we buy it, it costs a lot of money, so we often do it ourselves, but in really small batches. So this time I decided, since he loves garlic butter and he prefers salted butter, I'll make 2 sticks out of it. Since I just bought it, I do melt the butter in a microwave, soften the butter in a microwave a little bit, just for a couple seconds. Start with the first stick, and then we go from there. So I do already have 1 stick of butter here. It is softened. Like I said, did that in a microwave, but you also can just leave it outside. But since I just bought it and I'm gonna do it now because I would like to have some of it cold for dinner, I put it in a microwave real quick to make it faster. Now we need some minced garlic cloves. It take about 2 to 3 cloves. We didn't have any luck this last season with garlic, so I have minced garlic in a jar. 1 teaspoon is 1 clove, so I need about 2 to 3 teaspoons. So I take my 1, 2. Okay. He likes garlic, so put a little bit more in. Oops. I'll put that aside because I'm gonna need it again. And what I'm gonna do to try something new is I put a tiny little bit of just 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper in it to give it a little bit a different taste. So what we're gonna do now is mixing that all up. Almost a little bit not soft enough, as you can see. So I'll mix it up, and then I'll bring you back. I ended up taking this. Works a little bit better for me, but whatever suits you is good. So what we're gonna do now is you can put it in a log, form it in a log. I was already wondering, I'm probably gonna try that out once, if you can take it through the cookie cutter and make some different forms than only logs out of it. Probably gonna try that out one day. Let me know if you did that already or once, or if you wanna see that. So I do normally try to form it in here a little bit, but it most of the time does not look really nice, and it's gonna deform a little bit again when I pull it out. But what does work pretty good is if you have it in a plastic wrap already. Only one layer plastic wrap at that time. Form it a little bit. Put the rest on. And now we put it in the fridge. I'm gonna make the second batch so I can clean up that stuff for the herb butter and bring you back for the herb butter. For the herb butter you have quite a bit of flexibility. Almost all kitchen herb works. Basically all kitchen herbs works. The question is, what do you like? So I make thyme, and what you do is putting 2 tablespoons of finely chopped herbs in the butter. Where it ends up that I did pay the price for my laziness because I was too lazy to get the thyme off the sticks once they were dry when I harvested it this season. So now we're gonna have to do it now, and that's annoying. So I'm probably gonna end up tonight sitting in front of the TV when you're watching TV and clean up my thyme. Also gives me more room in the jar again, and it makes it easier the next time when I need it. I should know it better, but we all know sometimes we are just too lazy or too busy or both, and just don't do it. So that's only half a tablespoon, so I make one more and I'll bring you back and we mix it up. Alright, I do have my 2 tablespoons now, and I will put a little bit of pepper in this one as well. 1/8 of a teaspoon. If you want to cooperate with me. There we go. Now I mix it up. Like I said earlier, all kitchen herbs work. You can make it with rosemary, with parsley, basil, chives, thyme, oregano, whichever herbs you like or you think is useful for you to use later for on bread or vegetables or meat or whatever you're using. The herbs that fits your needs best or you like the best, it's gonna be the one for you. So I wrap that into a plastic wrap too. Make it the same way I did before. Roll it up. Make it a nice log. And then all you have to do is wait for it to chill. It takes approximately an hour. And then you can either keep it like that and use it as you go, or cut it up, or however you like your butter afterwards. That's like a whole stick of butter. It might look a little bit more pretty if you do the butter with in nice logs like the store does it or whatever. They might look a little bit prettier, But at the end, not about pretty, it's about handmade good product that actually tastes the way you want. So what you have now is 2 different kinds of butter ready in the fridge to be used in an hour. I might put some of the garlic butter on the steaks tonight, and we have plenty of butter to use for all kinds of ways. And I hope there was some value in here for you and that you come back. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next and what you like. Until then, there should be a video and that fits best for you to watch next. And there's a playlist I think would work good if you like that video. Like and subscribe and come back. Until the next time, be prepared and sustainable.